Hello, my name's Stuart.
And I'm Jeff, and welcome to
Adventures with Stuart and Jeff.
Today we've been to the National Railway Museum in York. Parking is just outside the museum and it is £10 all day.
I mean, they say all day, but it's till 6:30. That's long enough for you to be able to go to the museum and even venture into the city to have a look around. You get your tickets from inside and there's a code to help you get back out afterwards, but they will tell you that inside. So enjoy the video and we'll see you at the end. Bye for now.
Bye.
It's good for the £10 parking for all day. I
Yeah.
think it says that you've got till 6:30.
Oh, well, that's good, isn't it? That's going to cover anything.
So it gives us a chance to go in there and go into the city. You know, it gives us like 8 hours really.
Yeah, I don't know how much it would cost in town, mind, but it's probably going to be a similar amount anyway, isn't it?
If not more. So,
I know we'll get the steps in walking at the centre, but...
morning.
Morning.
Are you the motorhome?
No,
Oh,
no.
alright.
No, we're not.
So, yeah, we pay inside the museum.
Great, thank you.
Do what?
Oh, just motorhomes, they're not allowed. As you can see, the road ahead is closed. This road would normally take you straight into York itself. There is a little bit of a detour that just makes it a little bit longer. Inside can guide you which way to go, or you can take this cool little train into the city.
Transistor and everyone's come round the other way.
Sorry?
Still is.
I don't know how we're going to get in.
I don't know either. We'll see. We've got legs.
The road has been shut down. But they get chips from Yeah.
I remember.
Thank you.
Excellent. It is free entry. Just
I don't know coming in this way.
I don't remember.
We had some pictures outside, didn't we? That said York Museum.
Yeah. Yeah. You sort of walked in, there was like a quite a wide hall, wasn't there?
Yeah.
We need to get parking.
Yeah. I could speak to the next person.
I don't know if that is that just for the Wonderland.
Well, you could ask, yeah, where do we start parking? I think I need them.
I think you just keeps changing.
Doing some work with it, weren't they? So we just to change the
Maybe. The other one was more about proper entrance.
I know, but I feel like because we're in with the old train station,
Yeah.
that's sort of like a full circle before.
Hello, can I stay for the car park?
I didn't bring the pen. These are, yeah, I know they're superb, aren't they? Look at that. We came in from down there last time.
Make a lot of noise, and you might break it. Just car.
Yeah, no feet, no climbing. Good job.
Nice to see sort of all ages here as well. Do you know
Yeah.
what I mean? It's not.
Does it go up to the modern one? I know it has it'll have the Intercity 125, won't it?
Well, we'll just have to walk around obviously because we've come in a different way because we're changing the entrances.
Right. £1.50.
Oh, God. I'm just not. bothered which one it is, to be fair.
Steady. Lads here on Monday, so that'll be a few days.
Oh,
It'll go stiff as you're squashing it.
oh right.
And it'll just go all loose and go drop.
So the one we looks a bit like that. There's a few different designs, but I mean, I'd have preferred probably the dog on the the train suits at the train museum. Really, unless that's meant to be Hermes, because he is the Greek god of travellers.
Maybe.
Hence my tattoo on my leg. He's nearly older than you.
Almost.
Almost. That's why I said nearly.
I mean, what exactly is that?
Well, it's the neck. It's
Well,
that's what it looks like to me. Engine.
I knew it was an engine, but what is it? Is it a diesel engine?
It says sold as a diesel engine.
I can see that now. I'm just going to go up these steps to the train. Just reflecting, Stu.
It's what? It's reflecting.
Yeah, you can't see anything in there. It's just reflecting off the glass.
See if I can get some pictures then. Put over there.
So is this the bullet train from Japan then? Or the first version of it or something?
I think so. There'll be a sign all the same one. Explaining.
That'll be us in 2027. No, can I? It's going to be superb. Yeah, I've just stopped it and restarted on the bullet train. Go in this one, then you circle around.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know. Obviously, we've seen a lot about the GR trains, haven't we? GR.
Superb. Look at that.
Looks like this, isn't that like the new styles? This one doesn't seem to have the nose.
No.
This one, like the ones that we have now.
Yeah, but about 310 mile an hour.
No. But you can see the shape that they're at now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the Japanese generally shorter than us.
Yes. The seats are all back to back. Oh, these ones are.
Facing to the certain point, face back. Where I was sort of, I'll go one way, side to the other. Smells old.
So that's sort of like what this one is, isn't it?
Yeah. Because when you can see the starting to get the nose, aren't they?
Yeah, I wonder what speed they did like this in its heyday. Do you want to do the model railway or do you want to do the... Where's the...
Well, if you went, I suppose, running out, eventually
So they mini train.
This would be like... do you know what I mean?
yeah. Isn't there one of the sleepers that's a proper tree? I can't remember who it was. One of the celebrities is a massive tree.
Peter Warren.
Green train, that's like, what's the green one called? You're on
Oh, look, here's come lots of trains now, look. This one.
Dug underwater and, you know, made a massive tunnel. You wonder why they thought it was easier to go under rather than go over. I mean, maybe it was just the time and...
Not there they are, shaking hands, look.
Oh, when they'd gone through the wall? Yeah. I mean, it must have taken a lot of sort of, you know, maths and everything to sort of make sure you got to the same point.
I've seen a documentary on it and they weren't 100% that how it was going to be perfectly lined up. And I suspect it wasn't perfect. But you can see like the, you know, the size of the tunnel.
Yeah. Watching a video, I've seen a picture though, like, doesn't do it any justice to how huge it really is. Obviously, you can see it's bigger than like, it's over the next block, isn't it?
Yeah. Again, I don't know what I'm going to be able to see, but
'76. HST was designed for high-speed travel. It still holds the diesel locomotive speed record of 148 miles per hour, 230 kilometers per hour.
yeah. Right, I must go across there and see the Mallard. Do what?
Would have been totally stupid then.
We'll just do the other side then. Over the bridge. can see in there. They're giving the control box. I'll go over the bridge.
It's that train station itself, isn't it? These big bridges.
Yeah.
It's a good way to show you like the inside. Showing me the engine and everything.
It all cut away.
Yeah. Unless you put it in there, you don't really, or built it, you don't really know what it looks like, do you?
No. Even the size of the wheels is absolutely monstrous, isn't it?
Let me know. Look at this one.
Now, do you want to look at the safety belts?
Yeah, although the museum's free entry, the Wonder Labs and the VR experience is chargeable.
Yeah, I know the VR ones, but also this new Wonderlands. Especially if you've got kids, it'd be interesting to
I don't really know what's going to be in there.
show them different things, is it? What was sort of going on there?
We're going to go through the shed. I'm looking forward to getting into York and see if there is any street food going on.
Something a bit snacky.
Yeah, I am feeling a bit snacky, yeah. They seem to be constantly working on stuff, don't they?
Which is good. This is some stuff.
Oh, sorry.
This is stuff from like on the inside and that, isn't it? Like, you know, your cabinets.
Yeah.
Used to find China and whatnot.
Even like the Royal train.
But absolutely. It's good that was always self-control. don't know if that's the Northern Rail Museum. You know, it says, I will give you some of my pocket money. And my mum and dad said too.
Hello, I'm Michael Montalvo, and I'm Michael Foreman, and this is our lovely book, Flying Scotsman and the French.
Not sure if putting Red Bulls in the trolley was actually...
Oh, this was 97, I guess. Is that something? Do you know what I mean? So possibly in 97 you might have had them. And then before they would quality up, you would buy yourself. People would take the mickey. People would make inappropriate jokes in front of everyone. And sometimes it would really kill. It would really kill, like there was no tomorrow, but I had to do a job. I had a life to continue. Romolo Lanzi discussed its overcoming.
Yeah.
It's not that old, like, it's making me feel old. What number is it? 14? Games console, original Game Boy handheld games console, circa 1990. I was only a year old.
It's a reconstruction of an accident.
Yeah, I was reading it on the other one.
And the signal. That's all right.
So in terms of later, so it's you doing yours program. So whoever was hosting
As you can see on the map, there is a bit that they are doing up. It's a bit that we like because it's in the old station hall. Hopefully it will be open again in September.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, then like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now.